Hello, my name is Bethany Stahl, and I am a full-time author and illustrator. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Here I give a bunch of tips and tricks about self-publishing, so if that does interest you, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are looking for more additional information, don't forget to go over to patreon.com/BethanyStahl and join my self-pub squad or my workshop squad for more individualized help, documents, videos, and more. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a clickable link in your ebook. Now, if you want to see how to make an ebook, go check out my Kids Kindle Book Creator video where I show you how to make an ebook in about 5 minutes. It's really easy and really simple, so make sure you check out that video. But for this video, I've already done that, so what I need to do is find where I need to put my link. And it is here. Normally, I have my link just typed here for the print versions. However, I decided for this version, I would go ahead and make a clickable link. I did not want text here because I'll be adding it within this program, so I went ahead and left it blank. If you do have text, it will sort of overlay your text, and I just think it looks a little bit cleaner if you leave the text out. So the first thing that we're going to do is go up here to Add Text, click OK. And I am going to put the text that I want clickable. Now this does not have to be a link. This can be any text you want. I just happen to want to use a link. So I want them to go to my YouTube page. And I'm just going to move this here and then make sure that is centered. Perfect. So now I'm going to right click on this and click Delete Pop-up, and I'm going to say OK. All right, so now we're going to go up here to View, and we're going to click on HTML View. Now that's going to bring up this tab right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and what I need to do is find the text I wrote. So it's typically right here at the bottom. So here is the text I wrote, so I just want to highlight all of that, and I'm going to delete it and replace it with some code. Now feel free to write that down, but if you're a Patreon member, you will have a step-by-step with the code in there, so that way you don't have to write it down, you can just copy and paste. So in these little quotations, I need the full URL with the HTTPS, and then I want to type that there. So wherever you want your readers to go, you want to put it here. Now next to that, you're going to put the text you want to show. So again, if you want that sentence or anything there, you're going to retype it. So this is what you put in the box originally. You want to put that here now. Perfect. So I'm going to go back to the design. And that looks great. Now you can see it's a blue clickable link instead of text. So I am just going to go to File, Save for Publishing, and save this. And then I am going to open it with my Kindle app to make sure that the link is clickable. So here it is on Kindle. You can see I have a little hand pop up when I hover over it, and I'm just going to click on that. And perfect, I am brought to my YouTube channel. So this is great because they can come here and find the animation they are looking for. I hope this video has helped. If it has, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Not only does it make me feel really good, but it helps other authors who are looking for help find my channel, which is really awesome because we can keep creating this community of authors helping authors, and I love that. So I hope this helped. Good luck with your ebook and happy publishing. If you are looking for more information about publishing, go over to BethanyStahl.com/classes to see a huge collection of information that I have gathered for you, separated out into topics. Now, most of these classes are free to access, but there are a few that are exclusive to my self-pub patrons. If you do want to join that, go over to patreon.com/BethanyStahl, where you can join and get access to the classes, as well as other behind-the-scenes tips, tricks, and documents that are exclusive to that squad. If you are trying to get into contact with me to ask questions, the best place to do that would be Patreon. I do see all of those messages and comments first, and I am able to reply to those almost immediately. So that is the best place for more individualized help. I hope this video has helped, and I will see you all next time.